let us look at links in practical. So we have our HTML page here, and as usual, we have our heading and then our text. But we could go ahead to add an extra text that will have a link. So far, if you try clicking any of this text, they wouldn't take you to any page or website because they are just plain text and not links. Also, when you see a link, it is normally in a highlighted form. So let us demonstrate that. I will write a simple text. Even Java is easy. That's all. Now, we're going to surround the Java with the A element. But that's not enough because even though it is surrounded by the A element, HTML needs to know what we are linking to. So we have the href attribute. This is going to link to a particular web page. You could use any web page you want to use right here, any website. But for me, I am just going to use this. It doesn't matter. So we have our href attributes. Now, because the Java text is surrounded within this, anytime it is clicked, we would be taken to this particular link specified. Now, you can see the Java is now highlighted in such a way that you know that this is going to take you somewhere. If you look on the bottom left, Google Chrome will even hint you that this is a link and that is the link you're going to be directed to. Let us make this its own paragraph so it's not all in one line. We can make the I really like programming in a paragraph, and then we make even Java is easy another paragraph. This is so that they are on different lines. Makes the whole text cleaner, if I will say. So this is how you create links, and when you click on the link, whatever link you specified in the href attribute, it's going to direct you to that link. So we're going to see a lot of links in HTML, and you can go ahead and play around with it. You could use any link. For example, you could use the link of Twitter. You could use different links to replace the default one I used in the example.